keep untwisting it, or you start with it untwisted, which we didn't do. Okay, so you're putting it all into the pool, and you actually, I lean down and you put it into the pool like this, vertically.
Mm-hmm.
And you'll find out at the end the reason why. All right, I would recommend that you untwist it first.
Yeah.
But you put it all into the pool, and then what will happen is, you have the last bit, and you put it into the pool, and you hold it like this, and all the air comes out.
Okay.
Okay, so while you're holding it under the water, okay?
So you even hold that end bit under the water?
Yeah, so it helps. I mean, I can do this alone, but it really helps if you have somebody holding this so it doesn't slip down into the pool.
Right.
So somebody's still holding that. You slip this this is under the water and all the air's out now.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Keeping it under the water and trying not to let any air in, you stick it into the outlet for the skimmer basket.
Right, okay.
Without letting any air in if you can help it. And I'm going to come over closer. So you've got it underwater now.
Yeah.
You have to imagine, come closer and take a picture
Okay.
from here. You have to imagine that you've got it underwater,
Yeah.
okay? You've got it underwater, still underwater, still underwater, and then you stick it in the hole that's down there. 'Cause
Okay.
The skimmer basket won't be down there.
Okay.
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 After you do that, okay, so it really does help if someone else is out here.
Mm-hmm.
So you've got that there, that's in the pool.
Mm-hmm.
You go into the pool house.
Mm-hmm.
And you turn on filter. So it'll already be on filter.
Uh-huh.
The sump will be closed.
Yeah.
The skimmer will be open.
Uh-huh.
And it will start drawing the water from the skimmer basket. But since the skimmer basket is filled with the vacuum, it will start suctioning from the vacuum here.
Right, okay,
Does that make
okay.
sense?
Yeah.
So then you just very gently roll it along the base of the pool.
Right.
It'll go up the sides of the pool a little bit because they're curved.
Okay.
And you will be able to see it where it picks up stuff.
Right.
So if it looks like it's not picking up anything,
It's not on right.
it may have gotten air in it or something.
And if it gets air in it, you just have to reattach it again, is it?
Yeah.
Or is it going to massively muck up the filtering
It's not going to
system?
muck up anything.
Okay.
If it's not, no.
It's just a case of reattaching it properly again.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a
yeah.
faff, but it's not going to damage anything.
No, it's not going to damage it. I mean, I've never ever had a problem like that with hoovering.
Okay.
The only problem is getting it attached in the first instance.
Okay.
I have had to, got air in it the first time and it's not sucking anything
Yeah.
up, and then I just try it again,
And it,
and you can manage it.
okay.
But it's actually kind of fun.
Okay.
I mean, if there's anything on the bottom, you can just see it picking
Yeah.
everything up. It's I used to do it when it was sunny outside.
Yeah. Yeah.
But the trick is, just remember, you kind of need to put it in and then snake the thing under without getting any water in it, and just, making sure it's... I mean, I've had it not working and then come over and realized that it's popped out of the hole.
Right.
That kind of
Okay.
thing. But that doesn't matter if it pops out of the hole,
Yeah.
because it's just sucking in water.
Yeah.
It's not sucking in air because, that's the skimmer.
Yeah.
It's just sucking in stuff with, it's not going to make a difference at all. I'm not sure you can get enough air in there to muck up the works.
Okay.
Even if there was, you could just filter it and see if
Yeah.
it worked okay.
Okay.
I've never had a problem there.
Okay.
So it's pretty easy.
Okay.
Or you could get a machine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
But the head is new.
okay.
Because when we went to use it broke this summer. So the actual head of the thing is
Right. Okay.
new. So I think that's it.
And you would do that again, sort of
When it looked like it
when
needed
it looked no, which
It wasn't that often, actually.
okay, fine,
I mean, I may have only done it 3 times.
right,
This summer. We weren't swimming much.
yeah,
If you were having a big party,
yeah,
and you saw a little bit of grit and stuff on the bottom,
Yeah.
or leaves, it helps. If you end up with a lot of leaves in the pool, you probably want to get the leaves out with a net,
yeah,
and then
And then
hoover
go
the
over with
small
it.
bits with that. Yeah.
okay,
But that's one nice thing about the tiled pool, is it looks really nice.
Yeah.
Even when there was a few leaves on the bottom, it still
didn't
looked
look,
nice.
yeah,
Yeah.
okay,
So that's a winter cover that comes off. Yeah. I can't think of anything else.
Ooh, thank you very much.